Having a great food recipe to share on YouTube but don't know how to edit that video? Don't worry, Filmora Creator Academy is for you. Hey creators, this is Deepak from Filmora Creator Academy and today we will learn how to make food recipe videos on Filmora. So stay tuned. Before we proceed, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss any Filmora updates in future. So first of all, you need to take your media and then go to the audio tab and select a relevant music. I'm selecting this one right here and I will place it down on the audio track. Just crop that music up to the area you want and then fade out it by doing this method. After that, just put your media on the video track and then you need to add a text. So just go to the titles tab and select a relevant title. I'm selecting this one, title 2 right here, and then we need to edit it. So just double click on the title and then you will find advanced button from there. Just click on that and from advanced text edit, you can change the text and then you need to add some drop shadow to make it more professional. So what we will do, just scroll down from the left side here and then you just need to tick on this one button, text shadow, and then you will see the options of color and blurriness and these all things. So just select according to your creativity and then just do the same with the other text as well. Now we need a good transition for the text. Just go to the transition tab and select a good transition, and good transition means the dissolve one. So just put that at the end of the text and just make it a bit smaller like this. Now make your playhead at the end of the text and then click on your video and cut it. Now what we will do, let's see. So I will call the left cropped video as first clip and right cropped video as the second clip. So just select the second clip and move it upside just after the text like this. Now it's time to be more creative. So just go to the elements tab and search for abstract background. Then you will see tons of great backgrounds. I will select this one right here and I will put it just below the second clip. Now it has to be shown. For that we will make the video smaller. But wait a second, we have to be creative. Let's see what we will do. But before that you need to cut the background according to the video so that both can be aligned. Now go to the effects tab and now search for frames. You will see so many great frames. I will take this one right here and I will put it just on my video, the second clip. So this frame will do a magic. Now our video is looking like it is uploaded on some social media platform. So now it's time to resize the video so that the background will be visible. Double click on the video and before going to the animation tab, just always make sure that your playhead is at the first frame of the video. Let's go to the animation tab and from the customize tab, just change its position and make it something look like this. Just you need to change the position and scale and make a space at a corner so that we can put our ingredients as well. Great. Just click on OK to end up the animation and then go to the effects tab and search for square blur. I have already made it favorite, so I will just put it on the video and let's see what it does. So by double clicking on the video and going to the video effects and changing the blurriness of this new effect, blurs our background. Now it's looking so professional. Finally, we need to add the ingredients. For that, just go to the titles tab and search for Home Chef Pack. You will get great titles from there. I'm selecting this one for the ingredients. Just put it above the second clip and then it will look something like this. Just we need to edit it. So just double click on the text and go to the advanced panel. From here, just type your food recipe, change the font and make it italic, make it smaller or bigger and do your creativity. Finally, click on OK. Supery dupery awesome! Finally, as always, go to the transitions tab and select dissolve transition and put it at the end of the second clip and make it a bit smaller. Now we are done with the food recipe video. Let's see how it's looking. We did it creators! As always, our video is looking so professional. Now just comment down below and let us know which video editing trick you apply on your food recipe videos. Also, share this video with your other chef creators as well. See you in the next one video of Filmora Creator Academy. Goodbye. If you like to recreate this video, you can navigate to Filmora Creator Academy in Filmora Video Editor and click Import Template at the bottom of the video to get the project files and replace the default media with your clips. If you would like to learn more about video editing, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated when we upload a new video on this channel. Do check out our other tutorials on this channel and comment below to let us know what you want to learn next. Till then, stay creative with Filmora.